Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most beautiful and luxurious houses around the world. In today's video, we're taking you on a tour of the top 10 best houses in Miami. Miami is known for its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and luxury lifestyle. With that said, let's get started and explore these magnificent homes. House number 1. Via Casa Casuarina. Our first stop is Via Casa Casuarina, a breathtaking mansion formerly owned by Gianni Versace. This 10-bedroom, 11-bathroom mansion was built in 1930, and it features stunning Mediterranean architecture. The interior of the mansion is just as magnificent as the exterior, with ornate details and luxurious finishes. One of the most striking features of the home is the 24-karat gold-lined pool. The mansion was purchased by Barton G. Weiss in 2013 and was transformed into a luxury hotel. House number 2. The Faina House. Next on our list is the Faina House, an ultra-luxury condominium located in Miami Beach. This 18-story building features 47 units, each with its own unique floor plan. The building was designed by Foster & Partners and features floor-to-ceiling windows that offer stunning views of the ocean. The amenities at the Faina House are unparalleled, including a spa, fitness center, and private beach club. House number 3. Star Island Estate. The third home on our list is the Star Island Estate, a stunning waterfront mansion located on Star Island. This 8-bedroom, 11-bathroom mansion features over 18,000 square feet of living space, including a home theater, wine cellar, and gourmet kitchen. The mansion's outdoor space is just as impressive, with a pool, spa, and private dock. House number 4. Palazzo del Sol. Our fourth stop is Palazzo del Sol, an ultra-luxury condominium located on Fisher Island. This 10-story building features 47 units, each with its own private elevator. The building was designed by Kobe Karp and features stunning views of the Miami skyline. The amenities at Palazzo del Sol are unparalleled, including a fitness center, spa, and private beach club. House number 5. The Surf Club Four Seasons. The Surf Club Four Seasons is our fifth stop on this tour. This historic property was built in 1930 and was recently restored by Pritzker Prize-winning architect Richard Meyer. The property features 77 guest rooms and suites, as well as private residences. The amenities at the Surf Club are unmatched, including a spa, fitness center, and private beach club. House number 6. Oceana Ball Harbor. The Oceana Ball Harbor is our sixth stop on this tour. This ultra-luxury condominium features 240 units, each with its own private elevator. The building was designed by Arquitectonica and features stunning ocean views. The amenities at Oceana Ball Harbor are unparalleled, including a spa, fitness center, and private beach club. House number 7. 1000 Museum. Our seventh stop is 1000 Museum, an ultra-luxury condominium designed by the late Zaha Hadid. This 62-story building features 84 units, each with its own private elevator. The building's architecture is truly stunning, featuring a unique exoskeleton design. The amenities at 1000 Museum are unmatched, including a rooftop pool, spa, and fitness center. House number 8. Aqualina Resort and Residences. The Aqualina Resort and Residences is our 8th stop on this tour. This luxury property features 98 hotel rooms and 188 residences. The building was designed by Robert Swedroe and features stunning views of the ocean. The amenities at Aqualina are unparalleled, including a spa, fitness center, and private beach club. House number 9. Gables Estate. Our 9th stop is Gables Estate, a stunning waterfront mansion located in Coral Gables. This 12-bedroom, 14-bathroom mansion features over 20,000 square feet of living space, including a home theater, wine cellar, and gourmet kitchen. The mansion's outdoor space is just as impressive, with a pool, spa, and private dock. House number 10. Miami Beach Penthouse. Last but not least, our final stop is a stunning penthouse located in Miami Beach. This 5-bedroom, 7-bathroom penthouse features over 8,200 square feet of living space, including a home theater, wine cellar, and gourmet kitchen. The penthouse's outdoor space is just as impressive, with a pool, spa, and stunning views of the ocean. Miami is home to some of the most luxurious properties in the world, and these 10 homes are just a small sample of what the city has to offer. Whether you're looking for a waterfront mansion, an ultra-luxury condominium, or a stunning penthouse, Miami has it all. We hope you enjoyed this tour of the top 10 best houses in Miami. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one, and we'll see you in the next one.